Hi friends, we got some book mail to go through today. I'm super excited because I got something very special that you know what, I'm gonna do that last because I love to build suspense. But anyways, we have quite a few things. I know we have a Cover Snob box, but we also got some books from Pango and Macari secondhand, and so I'm excited for you guys to see what I picked up. The first thing I got is my Cover Snob subscription, so let's see which book it is for this month. So far, they have been doing an amazing job of picking books that I like, or at least if I haven't heard of it, it's at least really pretty. Okay, so this month's book is pink, so you guys know I automatically like it, but this is Single Player by Tari Ta. So here is the cover. It is stunning. Look at those edges. And I think it might be a video game romance. What? All right, so on the back it says, I hear you need help in the romance department. I'm already obsessed. Okay, so here is the book outside of the paper. This is really pretty. Let's look on the inside. Oh, we have pizza. Cute. Here's the other side. Okay, we also got some goodies. So we got a bookmark, we got a signed book plate, and we also got some bookish stickers here. So we have some headphones and looks like a Kindle. A Kindle that says, my Kindle knows too much. All right, so moving on, we have a book that I got from Pango. So let's see. This was very snug. Okay. Oh, it's very pretty. They wrapped it really pretty inside of here. Look. Okay, so they also included some stickers here. It says, there's no such thing as too many books. Facts. And then it says, only death do us part. When I die, delete my Kindle history. And then there's like a little book. That is so cool. And the book in question is Something About Kara. This is from Octavia Grant. I have read majority of Octavia Grant's books. She's one of my favorite horror authors. And so I think this was one of the books that I just haven't read. And I saw a physical copy. It was priced really reasonably, so I picked it up. So oh yeah, this is a new book. This is 2025. Of course I haven't read it yet. So this is like in her dating app horror series, and this is book 2. I think she shares that series with another author though, because I think there's another author who also writes in the series. So let me just read the synopsis. Something about Kara. One encounter was not enough. Have you ever made an impulsive decision while heartbroken and angry? Decisions made in anger cannot be undone. Kara Anthony knew this, but when her husband's secret knocked on her door, stopping the pain of his betrayal was the only thing that mattered. When she discovered the dating app, a dime a dozen, logic and common sense went out the window. Her emotional brain told her that accepting the match was the right thing to do. The encounter for her was over that night, but for her match, Jameson, Battle, their life together had just begun. Once you take this journey with Kara, you'll understand why bad decisions make great starts. So wow, so apparently she decided to get revenge by going on a date, and the guy becomes obsessed with her. This is why I love Octavia Grant. All right, so next up we have, what is this? This feels very, very light. What did I buy? This is from Pango. It feels like nothing. Okay, there is something in here. I'm like, it feels like nothing. It is so light. Like, look at that. It feels like nothing. But I think I know what it is. Okay, so I think this probably was a freebie that came with something and they sold it on Pango, and I was the only dum-dum to buy it. But I absolutely love this book series so much. So when I saw that there was a coloring book based on it, I had to get it, and I'm pretty sure Morgan Elizabeth probably gave these out at, I want to say Indies Invade Philly. I could bet you she probably gave it out at Indies Invade Philly. But I mean, it's okay. This is a coloring book. Ooh, I don't know if I can show that as I show it. This is nice. The pages are thin. They are double-sided, so my alcohol markers are definitely going to bleed through it. But I do love this book so much. It's not a lot of pages. It's literally like five pages. I really love when authors get like coloring books made. Like, I love that. This next box is like super beaten up, but it's also from Pango. Wow, sis wrapped that up in a bag. Where are you shopping at, sis? Winco Foods. It's a grocery bag. I never would have thought of that. So, I mean, kudos to her. Oh, we got another bag. Oh, same. Winco Foods. But you know what? That book made it to me safe and sound. And when I tell you this book was $5, I could not leave it. I think with shipping, it was like $13. Excuse me? Look how beautiful it is. This is I think this might be the only Morgan Elizabeth book that I don't own. I absolutely love her, and every time I went to Indies Invade Philly, which I didn't go this year, but every time I went, I always bought the books that I didn't have. Her covers are the cutest thing ever. Look at this, like this cover is so freaking cute. I have no idea what this book is about, but look at the cover. Look at the little coffee, the cartoon cover. Am I the only one that is like obsessed? All right, the moment we have been waiting for. All right, I have been waiting for it. You have been waiting for it. I'm excited because I know it is. Okay, for background, you guys remember I told you when I did my first curved bags and I decorated in that video. If you guys don't know, I decorated my first curved bags in a video, and I explained that it wasn't the one that I wanted. The one that I wanted sold out. But recently there was a restock and I was able to get it. All right, and so it came. So this curved bag is a little bit different. It was a little bit more pricier as well because it came with technically 2 bags. So it came with like this clip-on mini bag, which I will in fact be wearing as a bag by itself. Absolutely. And then it also came with a regular tote bag. So it was a little bit more pricier. The curved bags are only $60. And they're typically used at book events and people decorate them, and it's a huge thing. I didn't know about it. My best friend didn't know about it either. I had to explain it to her. They come in a variety of different colors. People like to collect different colors and then they decorate it, but this is how it is. This is how it looks. I like that this one is a single color because the one that I decorated, it was the other pink, but on the other side it had more of like a purple burgundy like side to it. This one is just straight up one color. I wish the curve was white, but there's nothing I can do. And then this is the other side. Now I wonder if it comes with straps. It comes with straps, people. Like, we got 2 bags for one. We got 2 bags in one, and I certainly will be wearing this as a crossbody. Are you kidding me? This is cute. Like, look at this. Are you kidding me? Absolutely will be wearing this. This is a 2-for-1. I think it's well worth it. Now, I think I'm gonna pause on decorating this because I want to actually support some small businesses and get some like trinkets from them, but I gotta get my money up, all right? So that is the thing. I'm definitely saving up so that I can get those because those little trinkets add up. They're not cheap. Like, it really was, like even the Amazon ones, like I think I spent like $30 to $40 for what I did buy, and I feel like it wasn't that much. So I also need to figure out how I want to decorate this because I have no idea. But I'm so excited. I think that is everything that I got today in the mail. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next video.